What if I told you there's one simple exercise that can transform your upper body, boost your core strength, and even improve your posture? Push-ups! That's right!
This classic move isn't just a test of physical fitness, it's a complete workout all on its own. But what happens when you do push-ups every single day for 30 days? Stick around, and I'll walk you through the week-by-week changes your body will experience, along with tips to maximize results. By the end of this video, you'll see why push-ups are a game-changer for your fitness journey. Let's get to it. Push-ups are a compound exercise, meaning they target multiple muscle groups at once. Your chest, shoulders, triceps, core, and even your back. But it's not just about building muscle. Push-ups also improve cardiovascular endurance, joint stability, and mental discipline. When done consistently, they can help sculpt a lean, powerful upper body while enhancing functional strength for daily activities. Plus, they're totally free, requiring no equipment. So, what happens to your body week by week when you commit to push-ups for 30 days? Let's break it down. The first week is all about setting the foundation. At first, you might feel sore in your chest, shoulders, and arms. Don't worry, that's a sign your muscles are waking up. You may also notice your core engaging as you stabilize your body during each repetition. If push-ups feel overwhelming, start with knee push-ups or incline push-ups against a sturdy surface. Remember, proper form is key. Keep your hands shoulder-width apart, your back straight, and your core tight. By week 2, you'll notice your body adapting. The soreness will subside, and your reps will feel smoother. Your chest, shoulders, and triceps will start to feel firmer. At this point, your core stability will improve, making it easier to maintain good form. Aim for 3 sets of push-ups per day, gradually increasing your reps.
Quick fact, did you know that a single push-up can activate up to 200 muscles? That's efficiency at its best.
Week 3 is where the magic happens. You'll likely notice visible changes such as toned arms, a defined chest, and even improved posture. You might also feel stronger during other activities, like carrying groceries or climbing stairs. At this stage, try incorporating variations like wide grip push-ups to target your chest or diamond push-ups to torch your triceps.
Pro tip, focus on controlled movements rather than rushing through reps. Quality beats quantity every time.
By week 4, you're in beast mode. Push-ups will feel almost second nature, and you'll likely hit personal records for reps. Beyond physical gains, you'll feel mentally empowered, knowing you stuck with the challenge. Your upper body will look and feel stronger, and your core will have better stability. Keep challenging yourself with explosive variations like clapping push-ups or slow eccentric push-ups to maximize results. Completing 30 days of push-ups brings incredible benefits that includes the following. Improved strength, not just in your arms, but your chest, shoulders, and core. Better posture, strengthening your chest and back helps align your spine. Increased endurance, your cardiovascular system gets a boost from consistent effort. Calorie burn, push-ups can help you burn calories and build lean muscle. Mental resilience, showing up daily builds discipline and confidence. Want to maximize your 30-day push-up challenge? Here are a few tips to follow. Warm up and cool down. Always stretch your shoulders, wrists, and chest to avoid injury. Focus on form. A sloppy push-up won't give you results and could lead to pain. Keep your body straight and your elbows at a 45-degree angle. Listen to your body. If you feel pain in your joints, scale back or rest. Mix it up. Incorporate variations like incline push-ups for beginners or explosive push-ups for advanced athletes. Proper form is crucial for maximizing results and avoiding injury. Here's how to nail it. Start in a high plank position, hands slightly wider than shoulder width apart, feet together, and body in a straight line from head to heels. Engage your core. Keep your abs tight to avoid sagging your hips. Lower yourself slowly. Bend your elbows and lower your chest until it's just above the ground. Keep your elbows at about a 45-degree angle from your body. Push back up, press through your palms, and return to the starting position, fully extending your arms. Letting your hips sag or sticking them up. Flaring your elbows too far out. Not lowering yourself fully, which results in doing half reps.
Bonus fact: studies show that regular push-ups can reduce the risk of heart disease. They're not just a strength booster, but a lifesaver.
Here are a few push-up variations that you can do to keep it exciting. Knee push-ups, great for beginners to build strength. Incline push-ups, place your hands on an elevated surface for less intensity. Diamond push-ups, keep your hands close together to target triceps. Wide arm push-ups, focuses more on the chest muscles. Plyometric push-ups, add a clap at the top for explosive power. Archer push-ups, shift your weight to one side for a unilateral challenge. Push-ups don't just build strength. They enhance coordination, balance, and even mental focus. There you have it. A complete breakdown of what happens when you commit to push-ups for 30 days. From improved strength to mental discipline, the results are undeniable. So, are you ready to take on the challenge? Let me know in the comments how many push-ups you'll start with today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with someone who needs a fitness boost. Until next time, keep crushing your goals, one push-up at a time.